If you struggle with your mindset about your health and fitness journey surrounding the holidays, this is for you. Something you might not know about me is that I'm a virtual health and fitness coach. I run online accountability groups for women from all over. We focus on our fitness, our nutrition, our mindset, and our community. And today I'm going to share with you something that I shared with the ladies in my current community. So I have a platform where we're able to connect and log and keep track of our workouts, our nutrition, our shakes, all the things that we do to build a healthier lifestyle. And I go live in there quite often sharing my thoughts, things that I'm learning, things that they have questions on. For example, last week I did one on what it means to have a tight core when you're working out versus sucking in, which is one I probably should redo for you guys. But I'm going to share this with you because I think it might be helpful for you. A lot of us have anxiety around the holidays and sticking to our health and fitness routine for our journey, and you don't have to. You really don't. Holidays are meant to be enjoyed. Holidays are not meant to build up anxiety. Holidays are great. It's what we need in our life, especially this year. So I'm going to share with you the tips that I gave to them. Some of the terms I use are things that might not make sense to you, but it's because it's specific to our group and the programs that we use. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. I wanted to talk to you about Thanksgiving and some things you can do for the holidays, okay? Number one, get your workout done first thing tomorrow morning, or if tomorrow is your rest day, great. Make sure you plan on Friday to do your workout so that you can still follow your schedule, but you're also gonna, if you do your workout on Friday too, you're gonna feel a lot better if you decide to use tomorrow as a rest day. Number two, get your shake first thing in the morning. I promise it's going to help your digestion so much. A lot of us think that we can create this calorie deficit by not eating anything or eating like a piece of toast first thing in the morning tomorrow and then saving up our calories and eating all this food later on in the day. And that actually does not help with weight loss. That causes your body to like freak out. You're gonna have a sugar crash and you're gonna get very moody and tired. You're not gonna feel your best. If you're like me, you would get car sick because you've not eaten anything. But it doesn't work like that. So let's just throw that idea out and like completely get rid of it and not bring it back, okay? Now, if you do want to be aware and eat healthier leading up to whatever meal you're going to be having tomorrow, I fully support that. I think that that's a smart idea. Again, especially getting your shake first thing in the morning, because Shakeology is going to help with your blood sugar. It's going to help with your digestion. It's going to go and clear you out. It's going to help with filling you up so that you're not picking up all kinds of things all over whenever you're cooking or whenever you get to wherever you're going, if you're going anywhere. And yeah, so make sure you get your workout done tomorrow. If you're not going to do it tomorrow, make sure you do it on Friday first thing. Make sure that you eat healthier earlier in the day, starting with in the morning, if possible. And then the third thing is eat whatever you want tomorrow. If you are going to be with your family and tomorrow is going to be like a celebratory day for you, I know some people can't be with their family. I know some people can't go for a holiday somewhere or anything, and that tomorrow's just a normal day for them. But if you are not one of those people, if you are someone who will be going somewhere, I want you to eat whatever you want. Just remember that you telling yourself that you can have whatever you want to have is going to help you break your bad relationship with food. When we already go in somewhere stressing out or anxious about the food that's going to be there and what we should or shouldn't eat, we're already going to have a negative like mindset around the food. That negative mindset is going to take away from you being present with the people that you're supposed to be with and loving on them. It's going to take your joy away. It's going to make you feel like your lifestyle right now is not effective, and it is, okay? So you can eat whatever you want whenever you want. And yeah, that's it. Stop when you're full. Be mindful, be present. Sometimes, especially when we're around people that we love and we're talking and stuff, we think like we need to clear our plate or we need to finish eating this because this is what we got. Especially if you've grown up in a home like I did. We didn't waste food, right? Like you don't be wasteful. If you put something on your plate, then you're supposed to eat it. However, as an adult, I really want to challenge you to take some things away from that type of mindset, because what you put on your plate, if your body is telling you that you're full and you need to stop, but you're going to finish eating it because you put it on your plate, what are you teaching your body? What are you teaching yourself? What are you teaching your kids? That's not a healthy relationship with food. Understanding to stop when you're full, understanding that just because you're with your friends and you're in a setting where you're supposed to eat doesn't mean you're supposed to eat so much food that you're miserable and you're hurting, right? Enjoy your food tomorrow. Get all the things that you want. Don't deprive yourself of anything that you want. Eat it, but be mindful. Enjoy and savor what you're eating. Don't rush through it. Take your time. Like, be present. Just challenge yourself to go into this with a positive mindset, knowing that nothing you do tomorrow is going to undo any hard work that you've done. Don't decide to weigh on Friday. And if you do weigh on Friday, talk to yourself about what you're doing, why you're weighing, and what your goal is from weighing yourself tomorrow, okay? Friday. Your goal on Friday is not to weigh yourself to see if you gained weight or you lost weight. That's not the goal. You're going to be eating foods tomorrow that you don't typically eat. Your body is going to hold on to some of that water. It's going to fluctuate. Your weight is going to increase. It's okay. It'll drop right back off of you as soon as you pick up with a healthy lifestyle again. If you're someone who has leftovers, and obviously we don't like to throw away leftovers, I definitely encourage you to still eat your leftovers, but maybe your plate on Thanksgiving would look different than your leftover plate. So whereas on Thanksgiving you're going to get all the things, right? On Friday or Saturday when you do leftovers, pick and choose the healthier options that fit in your meal plan for what you do. If you follow Ultimate Portion Fix, To Be Mindset, or if you're following Weight Watchers, pick the leftovers that you know you want, but don't pick all of them at once just like you did on Thanksgiving. And if you have leftovers like turkey or things like that, definitely use them. I want you to use them. I want you to use them in a healthier way. If you found any of these tips helpful, I would really love to know. Put it in the comments below what you're taking away and how you are going to use that tomorrow on Thanksgiving or whatever holiday that you're going to be celebrating that's coming up next. If you will, I would love for you to hit subscribe and then hit the bell, which means you're going to get notified whenever I release new videos, and you'll be able to be up to speed on the next thing that comes out. I hope you, your family, whoever you're with during the holidays, enjoy the holidays and appreciate being with one another. Thanks for watching.